So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your billing information here on Fiverr.com. So if you want to make a change to your billing information or just simply view it, go to the top right, press on your profile picture, then go down to where it says billing and payments. Then when you're in this page right here, you want to go to where it says billing information. And then when you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and see all the information. So you can edit the name, the company name, the country, the province, the address, the city, the postal code, as well as the invoices here. So you will find your invoices under the billing history. So if this all looks good to you, let's say you make some changes and you want to go ahead and press save changes right there, your stuff's good from there. So it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit your billing information here on at Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.